Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use variables in Godot engine's GDScript. Okay, so make sure that you have installed Godot engine. Simply download it and run the executable. Okay, so I have downloaded and also created one sample project which I'm going to edit. Okay, now next thing would be to add one node. Okay, as you can see, I already added node 2D, and in its resource folder I already added one script as well. Okay, now let me clear what I have already added. So by default you get these two lines, first being extends node and second being a function which is underscore ready. Okay, now let's clear the comments so that we can view this properly. Okay, now first thing we'll take a look at variable declarations. So we start with keyword var, then let's say I want to use variable a, so var a equals to, let's say, value 55. Right, now to print this out we will use this function underscore ready. You can also use function in it, and inside that we will simply add our variable a. Okay, now to print this we need to attach this script. Let's say our current script is new script, so we will go and attach that. Okay, save this. Now we will simply run this by pressing F5 or clicking on this run button. Okay, now here you can see in the output it shows the output of our variable a. Okay, now we can close that window and come back to editor, and here, okay, now next thing would be we will be adding one simple string, or let's say our name. Okay, and then we are going to print that by calling here. Okay, now let's run this, and you can see it has managed to output it. Okay, similarly you can also add arrays and dictionary as well. So let's take a look at array. So variable array equals to, let's say, 1, 2 and 3. If I want to output this, I can simply use arr. Okay, right, now if I run this, it should output that 1, 2, 3 in our output. You can see it here in output, right? Okay, so similarly we can also go ahead for dictionary. So let's remove that reference and go with dictionary. Dictionary is basically our key value pair, so key value and then this another key value pair. Okay, and we will simply call it here. Right, now let's run this, and here you can see 2, 3 value and key value pair. So what we have done so far is we have done how to create a variable that holds integer value or our character or string, then also how to add our array. Okay, similarly how we can use dictionary as well. Okay, and you can work with few other combination of those as well. So you get the idea how to work with variables in GDScript.